Hi there, I'm Tyler and today we'll learn about prokaryotic cells. This is part of Biology GCSE Unit 1 Cell Structure. If you have any questions during this video, make sure to comment in the comment section below. So, what are cells? Cells are the smallest unit of life and the building blocks for all organisms. This makes them pretty important. Now, let's learn about the two types of cells that you need to know about for your GCSEs. First, we have eukaryotic cells. These are plant and animal cells. Eukaryotic cells are much more complex and larger than other cell types. Eukaryotic cells are complex as many are required to make an organism, such as a plant or animal. Now we have prokaryotic cells. These cell types are much simpler than eukaryotic cells and are much smaller. Prokaryotic cells are in bacteria and only one prokaryotic cell is required to make a bacterial organism, hence the reason they are seen as simple cells. Today, however, we'll be focusing on the prokaryotic cells that make up organisms such as bacteria. Prokaryotic cells have lots of differences to eukaryotic cells. We will look at these differences today. Firstly, prokaryotes don't contain a nucleus as opposed to eukaryotes. Similar to eukaryotic cells, however, prokaryotes do contain a cell membrane. They also contain a cell wall, just like eukaryotic plant cells. Prokaryotes are also much smaller than eukaryotes. Also, prokaryotic cells contain plasmids due to having no nuclei. Most prokaryotic cells also contain a flagella. Here we can see a prokaryotic cell compared to eukaryotic cells, plant and animal cells. As you can see and should hopefully know, plant cells have a nucleus, so do animal cells. Prokaryotic cells do not contain a nucleus. Instead, prokaryotic cells have plasmid DNA present. This is free-floating circular DNA strands that can replicate independently. Here we can see the flagellum. Not all prokaryotic cells have flagellum, but most do. The flagellum rotates in order to provide energy for the cell to move. You also need to know that prokaryotes are much smaller than eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cells typically range from 0.1 to 5 micrometers in diameter. Eukaryotes, however, range from 10 to 100 micrometers in diameter. Prokaryotes are also less complex than eukaryotes. Only one prokaryotic cell is required to make an organism. This is called a single-celled organism, such as bacteria. That's it for this video on prokaryotic cells. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and have a good day.